Hi, I'm Pam Kramer, the Executive Director of Duluth LISC. For the last 20 years, LISC has been investing in our neighborhoods and investing in organizations and in people to ensure that both people and places prosper. Our first name is local. We're called the Local Initiatives, and it's about what can we do to help the community and the people who live there to grow and to prosper.
Food deserts aren't rare to Duluth. We break down barriers in a variety of ways. A lot of it is financial. A lot of residents have financial barriers to accessing fresh and healthy food. We also have looked at a lot of transportation barriers. There hasn't been in the past adequate public transit, affordable, convenient, accessible transportation to get to retailers that currently exist because all retailers are over a mile outside of the Lincoln Park neighborhood. But without going and knocking door to door, we weren't sure what exactly the barriers were, and we didn't know exactly what solutions that we had to implement in this neighborhood specifically. And so that was the light that was brought with this door to door, and having really in-depth conversations with residents as we were actually able to determine, what were the exact barriers and therefore what were the solutions. When we determined that one of the barriers was transportation, the DTA was an obvious fit. It is the mass transit system of Duluth. We launched a pilot program, the Grocery Express, that brought a bus route through the Lincoln Park neighborhood right to the door of 2 different grocery stores in West Duluth. We were able to call on the right partners: Duluth LISC, CHUM, Community Action Duluth, Duluth Community Garden Program, and Zeitgeist Center for Arts and Community. It's our core group of partners. And as we've been working on other solutions, we've also pulled in many other partners. Most importantly to us is our EBT and SNAP Match program. The EBT users at the farmers market have grown incredibly throughout the last 4 years of the farmers market. Anytime that somebody is using their EBT or SNAP dollars, they're able to double that. And so because of that, a lot more residents have been able to have fresh and healthy food. It's been a huge success of the Fair Food Access campaign, is having that farmers market, having that fresh and healthy food in the middle of the neighborhood has been an incredible solution.